Hey, it's Ian, and today we have a premium rotary tool at such a bargain price. And best of all, this is a popular name brand that you know and love. But because of our incredible deal, we can't say the name. But I'm sure if you take a close look, you'll easily figure that out. Now, this kit comes with 35 accessories for just about any job you can imagine. Now, we'll get into that in just a moment, but first I want to talk about some of the awesome features of the main unit. Now, when it comes to rotary tools, sometimes you need delicate precision and other times you need raw power. That's why I love this one, because it has 5 different speed settings. Just listen to its range. Now, whether you're working on something more technical, a little bit more artistic, or somewhere in between, you're gonna love that you'll always be able to see your work because of the integrated LED light built right into it. Now, I really want to stress that this isn't just some cheap item found in the discount aisle. This really is a professional grade tool, and you're really gonna feel that in its hefty weight. Now, the reason I love rotary tools is because you can do so much. Plus, with the 35 accessories it comes with, this does not disappoint. With the polishing pads, you'll be able to breathe new life into some of those antique items. And for you artisans, the engraving tool is gonna allow you to customize your work like no other. The sanding discs are gonna smooth out those rough edges and give your work that refined, finished touch. And with the cutting discs, you'll be able to cut with precision like butter. And one of the most convenient features is that this is completely rechargeable, so you're never gonna be tangled in those cords while you use this. Now, I may be a little biased in saying this because I love this tool so much, but if everyone loves it just as much as I do, it's gonna sell out super quickly, especially with our insanely low price we have on this. So don't wait, head on over to the site and grab yours before it's all gone.